I've been using these two old crates as a TV stand for a while now, so I figured I'd turn them into a proper TV cabinet. I used a bunch of old pine that I found in the trash to make the base for the crates. And the first step was to cut it into usable strips and pieces. To make the legs, I added an angle with the track saw to give them a modern vibe. And an improvised stop block helped me make sure all 4 legs were the same length. A bit of sanding of the cut edges, and I could move on to assembly. I'm not going for anything fancy here, so just some screws will do the trick. I clamped some spacers in between the legs to keep them parallel, and then placed the crates on top. I did a quick check to see if the screws are the right length, and I made sure the DVDs will actually hide the screws. And then I could simply screw the crates onto the legs. I removed the clamps and the spacers, and added a few extra screws from the crates into the legs and in between the crates to hold them together. For the DVD player, I drilled and cut a hole for the cables to go out the back. Just a big drill bit and a jigsaw did the trick. I made some brackets to hold the DVD player to the top of the cabinet. And then I realized I probably should have drilled the holes first. Oh well, I can still do the second one right. I screwed the brackets into the top of the cabinets so that it'll look like the DVD player is floating up there. Finally, I drilled some holes in the back so I can zip tie a power strip to the back of the cabinet. That'll allow me to do some proper cable management of the TV stuff and keep all of those cables off of the floor. And now all that's left is to fill it up. It looks so much nicer than having the crates just sitting on the floor. And I really like how it's both rough and modern at the same time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.